Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Eric B. I'm back outside. Yo, welcome to Real Country Living, man. We outside. We trying to catch some hogs as usual. I'm at this new pond. I met somebody out here yesterday. He was hooking up on them back to back to back. So, you know, I said, why not? Let me come out here and see what I can get, man. So without further ado, let's get the day started. Hey. Told y'all we on. We on. We on. Yes, sir. We on. Oh, yeah. Oh, he's big. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. 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 We're gonna let him be a little angry right now. Oh yeah, he's on there. Real country living, man. We outside. We getting to it. Nice little 3.5, 4 pounder. Send him about his way, man. Hey man, y'all probably ain't see me catch it, but look, they out here, man. I'm telling you right now. Real country living. We outside, man. Y'all gotta get to your local pond. Don't be afraid to hit them banks. Nice little, it's about a 3, 4 pounder. Decent, man. Decent, man. You know what I'm saying? We catching the biggins right now.